Hindi mo na binidyo.
No, I'm
Yeah.
capturing you right now.
Oh
Capturing.
yeah, that's good.
Okay. Let me try this again, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ano yun? Yung take 2.
Take two.
Take two.
Action. Hey Ryan.
Yes. What is up, dude?
I want to interview you.
Yeah.
So I have 4 questions here for you.
Yes.
I want your honest answer.
Yes.
Here's the
What
first
I fear
question.
most, I know that.
Yeah, what do you fear most in your life today?
When this program always crash, and I can't. What's the English for finish? I can't finish this on time because the deadline. Delayed with the deadline.
Oh, let me have a look of what you are doing.
Yeah, this is what I'm doing. Codes. Thinking. That's all.
Okay.
So next question.
Okay, here's the next
Hurry,
question.
my battery is low bat. My phone is in low bat.
No.
Don't have a battery.
So what do you love?
I love God first. Then I love my work. I love my cubicle. Look at my cubicle. Yeah.
This is where Mr. Ryan works. Yeah.
Next. Oh no, I'm doing Facebook.
Okay.
I'm not working.
Doing Facebook. Okay. What makes you laugh?
Watching hilarious movie in the YouTube.
Matching? Watching.
Hilarious. Oh,
Watching,
yeah,
I
watching.
see. Is that all?
Yes.
Go. Can you show your wallet?
Huh?
Can you show your wallet?
Yeah, my wallet. My wallet. Oh no, I forgot.
Oh, pull out whatever's in your pocket and film it. Sorry. Here,
Yeah, you're reading the.
Yeah, I'm reading the question number 4.
It's okay. I've got my.
So what's inside your pocket?
For ready for applying my job. Don't focus that picture.
Okay.
Key in my room.
Yeah.
And do you know what this key?
No.
When you handcuff, this
I
is
see.
the special key when you want to get lost in the handcuff.
Okay.
And then
So you're a terrorist.
no, I've got loan people giving.
Okay, flyers.
Oh, I got 1 peso.
Oh, you still have 1 peso in your
uh,
pocket.
Garbage and
A lot of
pictures.
garbage. Oh.
Pictures of
Mr.
my, I don't know what.
Who's this girl?
Yeah, that's girl. That's the team.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's all.
I don't
So we're done.
Okay, thank you, Sir Rybox.
Patungkol. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
End it. I'm gonna
welcome.
post it now.
Stop, don't pause. Stop.
Stop. Pause. Stop what? Stop.
Yeah. Yeah, let's
Bye.
let's
Say bye. Bye.
Let's upload now.
Say
man.
bye-bye.
Let's upload.
Okay, say
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.